Good morning, boys and girls. We're on review week. We're on Unit 4, Week 6, Day 2, the last week of our booklet. So the directions say edit and write each sentence correctly, circle adjectives, and underline adverbs. So remember, an adjective describes a noun, so a person, place, thing, or animal. Okay? Adverbs tell more about verbs. So those are the two things we're going to be looking for after we've gone through and fixed up our sentences. So let's see. Number 1 says, start putting the red apples in the basket now. You're going to fix it up, rewrite it nice and neat on the line. Number 2, Gavin blew the gold bugle loudly. Same thing, fix it up, rewrite it nice and neat on the line. So pause your video, do number 1 and number 2. All right, let's go down to the daily math review. You know what to do there. Looks like we've got a doubles plus 1 strategy. So we've got doubles facts over here, and then they're doubles plus 1 over here. So 6 plus 6, 6 plus 7. 7 plus 7, 7 plus 8. 8 plus 8, 8 plus 9. Pause your video, do number 6. Number 7, the strategy is adding by place value. So we're adding 437 plus 271. So we're going to add the hundreds, the tens, and then the ones. Add these up for your final answer. Pause your video, do number 7. Number 8, start at 739 and count back by hundreds. So you got 739, 639, blank, 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 blank. Pause your video, do number 8. And number 9, Sue bought school supplies and received 95 cents in change. Show 2 different sets of coins she could have received by writing the number for each kind of coin. So one way that she got 95 cents is it can be shown with quarters and nickels, right? Another way is with dimes and pennies. So remember that a quarter, so you're going to need more than one, is 25 cents. And a nickel is 5 cents. So you have to have a combination of quarters and nickels. And then dimes are 10 cents and pennies obviously are 1 cent. So that might help you out with that problem. So pause your video, do number 9. All right, let's start checking from the top. All right, so number 1. First thing we're going to do is go ahead and fix that up. We need a capital at the beginning. Pudding is spelled incorrectly. So put, P-U-T, short vowel, so we have to double the T, then add ing. Start putting the red apples. Apples is spelled wrong. That's a final syllable L-E word, right? App. And then pulls is P-L-E-S. So P-L-E and then S. Start putting the red, red. That says read or red, right? But we're looking for the color red, not like reading a book in the past. So start putting the red apples in the basket now, and a period. So that looks good. I'm going to rewrite it nice and neat on the line. All right, number 1 looks good. So let's go on to number 2. Gavin blew the gold bugle loudly. That's not a question. That's a statement. So we're going to start with changing that to a period. And let's see, Gavin blew. This is the color blue. We don't want that blue. We want blue like he blew a horn. So B-L-E-W. Gavin blew the gold bugle loudly. Okay, that all looks good. So I'm going to rewrite it on the line nice and neat. All right, looks good. So now we're going to go back and circle adjectives and then underline adverbs. So adjectives tell more about nouns. So start putting the red, describes the apples, in the basket now. And then Gavin blew the gold bugle loudly. So both those color words describe different objects, right? Red describes the apples, gold describes the bugle. Then we got to find adverbs, right? So adverbs can tell how, they can tell where. So the word now in this top sentence tells when. We're going to put the apples in the basket. And then loudly down here tells how Gavin's going to blow the bugle. All right, head down here for the daily math review. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. 9 plus 2 is 11. 3 plus 9 is 12. And 4 plus 9 is 13. All right. Doubles facts and then doubles plus 1. So 6 plus 6 equals 12. So 6 plus 7 equals 13. 7 plus 7 equals 14. So 7 plus 8 equals 15. 8 plus 8 equals 16. So 8 plus 9 equals 17. Strategies adding by place value. So we got to add all these up. So 600, 100. So that already tells me these together equal 700, right? And then 7 plus 1 is 8. So 708 is the answer you should have gotten. This one we're going to start at 739 and count back by hundreds. So each time only the digit in the hundreds place is changing. So it's getting one less hundred each time. So you can see what I'm writing: 439, 339, 239, 139, and then if we take away this last 100, it only leaves 39, just like that. All right, so we've got to show how she got her change, her 95 cents and change, different ways. So right away, I know 3 quarters, right? Quarter is 75 cents. If I add another quarter, that's $1, so that's too much. So I've got 3 quarters, so I'm going to add a nickel. So 75.80. Whoops, I meant to write. Oh, how did I do that? I somehow changed my color. Wow, that was kind of cool, I guess. So anyway, so we got 3 quarters, 75 plus a nickel, right? 75.80, 85.90, 95. So 3 quarters and 1, 2, 3, 4 nickels equals 95 cents. And then we got to do it with dimes and pennies. So each dime is 10 cents, right? So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. If I add another one, that's $1, so I got to stop. Okay, so now I can go pennies: 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95 cents. Okay, so that's 9 dimes, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then pennies: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 pennies. All right, you're all done with your morning work. Nice job. Get started on your next assignment.